Okay, is it? Okay, first one, what is happening? 28-year, type 3, expresses fear of tearing during vaginal delivery. She has not undergone defibrillation. Defibrillation antenatally. So explain to her, if you do defibrillation now, you will not have the tears. Clear? Is this clear? I don't know. Did anybody answer B or did I miss? I'm not sure, guys. Okay, somebody has answered B there.
Ma'am, patient in third trimester, no? Before 20 weeks, we have to do antenatally or during labor.
What's your good name, sweetie? Danya. Go back and read the guideline, whether they say before 20 weeks or after 20 weeks, and when you can do. Okay, Danya? Okay? The reason why I am actually asking, why I am asking you to read is because you will remember. Guys, after 20 weeks, you can do any time, even during labor. That's the whole point.
Okay, thank you.
She's already in her third trimester, no, ma'am.
So what?
So how can we answer antenatally?
I like your question. What's your good name?
Juvarian.
Unless she goes in labor, she's still antenatal. Okay? That is the definition of antenatal period. In labor, it is intrapartum period. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Guys, look at the way you go, because you're so zoomed in, zoom out of all your learnings and unlearn. Okay? Next one, guys. 25-year-old type 2 FGM becomes tearful distress whenever examinations are mentioned. Type 2, okay? She describes feeling anxious and overwhelmed when approached by a male medical staff. Okay? So what's your answers? Okay, I can see E, F, G, K, everything is there. Okay? Whenever you have somebody, see, this is a flashback. Or probably you don't know because she's specifically selling a male medical staff. She has an abuse element, we don't know, or whether whoever has done FGM could be a male person. Obviously, it is a type 2 FGM. So that is the reason you're going to be referring to. There is no emergency. She's not telling that I'm going to die or something is going to happen. So refer to her routinely. That means to say within weeks, she would be able to see. Is this clear?
Patient came at let's say 37 weeks or 38 weeks, closer to term.
So what?
So should we refer her routinely or urgently? Shouldn't it be urgently?
Why urgent?
Because
urgent, you would only say that if she has some suicidal thoughts or tendencies, all those things. It should be not your emergency, it should be emergency for the patient, right? 33, why not E? Why you want to refer to perinatal health? She is fine, right? She only expresses that I know it is completely closed. I'm worried about the tears. So you have to give her an option. If you do defibrillation, it won't tear apart. After that, she said, no, I'm very scared for everything. You can refer. Guys, please read the question carefully. Put the patient in front of you. This is the only thing which would help you guys. Neha, I really don't want you to give you any keywords because they can change anything. Understand your approach. Okay, so what the patient is telling and what you have to be doing. Shall we move on?
Ma'am, here routinely means routinely all patients with FGM.
No. For this particular patient, there is two things, routine and urgent, right? Urgent you would refer whenever there is fear of her own mental breakdown and things like that, right? Correct? But here it is not so much, but you have to refer to get the counseling. Okay? Clear? Okay. Sushma, you mean to say that nobody can do defibrillation second trimester, first stage and second stage? So you mean to say third trimester, nothing to be done? Who has told you this, dear? Sushma, who has told you this? Okay, share me that where they mentioned, because I don't know how many of you have managed FGM. So please use your common sense. How you cannot do a defibrillation in third trimester?